One sunny day, a spirited young fox frolicked by the river. The world was a playground, but something glimmered beyond the waterfall. Curiosity twinkled in his eyes. He rushed forward, splashing through the shallows. Was adventure waiting inside? The cave was a labyrinth. A flurry of mischief enveloped the friends. Signs switched, directions blurred. Where to go? Something shimmered against the stone. The elder spoke of ancient carvings guiding their path. Could they lead them to treasure? Suddenly, a rumble shook the cave. A giant boulder started rolling. They laughed in fright, a comical chase igniting behind them. Breathless, they found a treasure chest. It shimmered, locked tight. With nimble fingers, excitement bubbled. Could they unlock its secrets? The riddle revealed itself slowly. The clever one's eyes sparkled with understanding. Just then, trouble lurked. Monkeys were near. With a triumphant click, the chest opened. Golden apples spilled forth, gleaming with promise. Surprised cheers erupted, joy filling the air. As they emerged, laughter danced with the sunlight. They had faced giants and puzzles, and together, they had triumphed. The forest welcomed them back. Laughter carried with the breeze. Their hearts were light, friendships glowing brighter than before. With each crunch of the apples, happiness bloomed. They munched, relishing their victory and the lessons learned along the way. Hand in hand, they walked home. Together they understood. Adventure is sweeter when shared, and friendship is the greatest treasure of all.